y'all. I'm getting my last workout in, soaking up a little bit of sun, working really hard paddleboarding right now. Let me tell you what, this is hard work. Just kidding. I am so excited. I'm going to be in Switzerland in less than 48 hours, getting ready for you all to come and visit me. Remember, when you get onto the plane, make sure you have your skates in hand. You don't want to put them in your luggage, because if your luggage gets lost, then you're stuck at a skate tour without any luggage. Also, make sure you bring some sort of water bottle with you. There's not a lot of water fountains that are fairly accessible on the trail, so it's nice to be able to have some water along with you. Also, possibly a hydro pack. If you need any of those, I can bring them with me, but you have to let me know, like, by tomorrow, so I can go to the warehouse and grab them for you. Make sure you don't forget your helmet. We're not going to be cruising on water like I am right here. We're going to be cruising on some smooth asphalt in the middle of the Swiss Alps. It's going to be amazing. I'm so excited to see all of you. I know most of you that are going to be on tour already. Unfortunately, my chauffeur isn't going to be with me, but maybe one day I'll be able to get him on tour. Anyways, have a good one. See you guys later. Woot woot!